Good morning students, welcome you all for online classes. In previous classes we have discussed about computer generations and definition of computer and computer types, bits, bytes and words. Okay, then we have understand about CPU, primary memory and secondary memory, ports and connections. Today we will going to discuss input devices and output devices. So input devices: keyboard, mouse, scanner and microphone, light pen, these all are input devices. And also you will get barcode, scanner, joystick. Okay, these all are input devices of computer. So what do you mean by input devices? These are the external devices that are connected to CPU, central processing unit, using which data or the commands can be entered into computer. Data means you can you want to store any image file or video or audio file or text file, that we can call data. And or the commands means to in Ubuntu operating system, some commands you need to interact with that operating system. Okay, in networking, related to networking issues, you need some commands. Okay, that can be entered into the computer with the help of input device. Then keyboard. Here it is a primary input device used in all computers. Keyboard has a group of switches, also called key switches. We can call this key switches. It helps to input text and numbers into the computer. Using the keyboard, the user can type the data or commands, and it consists of 104 keys and 12 functional keys. So let's see how this keyboard will work. Suppose if you want to supply the input as AITM, okay, through the keyboard. So this AITM, each keyboard, these all keys we can call characters. Okay, so if you type AITM, so what will happen? It will convert into binary code, that is machine language. Okay, 010101. Then it will going to transfer to CPU. After transferring, CPU will read it, then process it. Okay, you are going to display AITM in monitor, right? So after this, same data will going to produce on the monitor. That's why how this keyboard will work. This is a process. Okay, directly AITM will not going to accept and not will going to produce as a output. It will convert into binary language or machine level language. Okay, and the most commonly used keyboard layout is QWERTY layout. So why we should call QWERTY layout? See here, this is called standard layout. Now maximum computer users, they are using this kind of layout. So QWERTY RTY, layout. This is called keyboard, right? So in this keyboard you have different kinds of keys, right? So what kind of keys these are? Let's see. Alphanumeric and character keys, and numeric keypad, then function keys, control keys, and special purpose keys. This keyboard we will going to divide in these key types. Okay, see here what will happen, these we can call functional keys or function keys, these, and this keyboard contains total 104 keys plus 12 functional keys. Okay, and this we can call numeric keypad, this. Okay, and control keys, these we can call control keys, or these and this red color, right? These we can call control keys or navigational keys. Okay, and special purpose keys. Let's see what kind of special purpose keys we are using. Generally it is keyboard layout. So first one is alphanumeric and character keys. These key include the letters A to Z and digits 0 to 9. See here, alphanumeric keys A to Z, A, B, C, D, E up to Z letters, and numbers 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This we can call alphanumeric and character keys. Okay, then another type is numeric keypad. In numeric keypad we have 17 keys. How many? 17. So where we will get numeric keypad, this is our numeric keypad, this part. This part is usually used for calculation purpose. Okay, 0 to 9, then numlog, division, multiplication, subtraction, plus, then enter key, then dot operator or period operator. So total 17 keys are there. This we can call numeric keypad. Okay, and function keys. Another one is function keys. Here the 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the same keyboard. So top of the same keyboard means here we are getting these we can call function keys. Okay, and each key has a unique meaning and it is used for some specific purpose. For example, if you want to run Turbo C, you can press F12. Okay, and then for booting purpose you can press this kind of keys. This is called function keys. And then next one is control keys. Here these keys provide cursor and screen control, so we can call these control keys, and it includes 4 directional arrow key. Here these we can call arrow keys, up, down, left and right, and it also includes home, end, okay, then page up, page down, control, here we can call this control, then alt, then escape. These keys we can call control keys. Okay, especially this keys function is what provide the our cursor and screen control. Then special purpose keys. Here keyboard also contain some special purpose keys such as enter key, then shift, two shift are available, left side and right side, then caps lock is used to capital letter, then num lock, this one num lock is used for what, to active this keypad, then space bar is used to give the space, then a tab, then print screen. Here you will get print screen. Okay, these keys we can call special purpose keys. The next one is mouse. It is a small handheld input device, okay, that controls a computer's screen's cursor or pointer in conjunction with the way it is moved on flat surface. Here with the help of mouse pointer only I am operating this one. Okay, movement is possible, left side, right side, top, down, right. It has two buttons called left and right button, and in between one wheel is present. Okay, most of the tasks on computer can be accomplished by using which button? Left mouse button, this button. Okay, then operations with the help of mouse we can perform these operations. One is select a text, open a files, or open play the video files. Okay, any kind of files you can open. Then one more facility is drag and drop the items. And it is also called as pointing device because it helps to point data on a screen. Here I am pointing this, right, so you can easily see this is cursor, whatever movement is going on, it is called a pointer, so you can easily point data on a screen. It also called as pointing device because it helps to point a data on screen. Okay, you are seeing here. Then it also helps to select and highlight content and drag and drop controls. The help of mouse device you can perform these kind of tasks. Okay, now another input device is scanner. So what is the purpose of scanner device? See, it is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. If you want to take any picture or any kind of any kind of printout, you can print it in digital format. That's why we are using scanner. It transforms printed material and photographs. Printed material means any kind of data, okay, and photographs into digital representation. For example, if you want to take a soft copy of this file, you can use scanner. With the help of scanner you will get the soft copy of the hard copy. So it is used when some information is available on a paper and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer. So you can use scanner. So these are the tasks of scanner device. Then barcode reader. Here it reads barcodes and converts them into electric pulses to be processed by computer. Here data coded in form of light and dark bars. Here you are seeing this is what barcode. Then this device we can call barcode reader. See, if you want to scan the barcode reader, it will going to read the content of the barcode. And it is generally used in labeling goods and numbering the books. You are aware about goods and numbering of the books. See here, in this kind of goods you will get the barcode. If you want to read this barcode, so you can use this device to absorb, to collect this kind of goods, quantity and price. Okay, so this is barcode reader. Another one is optical character reader. Here we can call it is OCR, detects alphanumeric characters printed or written on paper. See, if you want to read this data as a soft copy, you can go for optical character reader. So you just scan it from here to here. This data will going to store on your computer. Text is to be scanned is illuminated by low frequency light source. Here light is blinking, right? The light is absorbed by the dark areas but reflected from the bright areas. So this is a task of optical character reader. See, this is a device. You can scan or you can store it as a soft copy. Now optical mark reader, another device, OMR. It is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. You might aware about this kind of answer sheet. Okay, here you just mark the help of pen or pencil marked. So this data will going to read by this device, optical mark reader. For example, in your CET you have seen this kind of answer sheet, right? So here multiple options are there. Among this we can choose any one option with the help of pen or pencil. If you mark this as an answer, then this device will going to read these answers. It is used where one out of few alternatives, means here 4 options are given, so among these 4 options you can choose only one option, right? Is to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions. For best example, you have already appeared your CET exam, right? So you might aware about this kind of answer sheet. Then next one is joystick. It is also pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. See here, this guy is moving the cursor left and right, and it is stick having spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. It can be moved in all four directions. Its functions is similar to mouse. It is mainly used in computer aided designing, that is CAD, and also playing computer games. So this device we can call joystick. Then another one is light pen. Here it is a pointing device similar to pen, look like pen. It is used to select displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitoring screen. Here you can see monitor screen. When tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and pen bottom is pressed. Yeah, but this function is similar to mouse. Okay, this is another input device. Then next one is track ball. It is mostly used in notebook or your laptop computer instead of mouse. This is a ball half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball the pointer can be moved. For example, see here, this person is moving the cursor like this, and it comes in various shapes like a ball or a button or square. These all are different kinds of track balls. Then microphone. It is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to multimedia presentation or for mixing music. So for this purpose we are using microphone input device. Magnetic ink card reader. So here it is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. Okay, to drop a check, then that check will going to read by magnetic ink card reader. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the checks with special type of ink that contains the particles of a magnetic material that are machine readable. This reading process is called magnetic ink character recognition, MICR. See here, this is a sample check. Here you will get MICR code. Okay, and this is a magnetic ink card reader. Here we can insert our check will automatically read by this device, magnetic ink card reader. Now we will move on to output devices. What will do output devices? It receives the output of a data from another device. Okay, that we can call output device. For example, monitor. It is commonly called visual display unit, that is VDU, are the main output devices of a computer. It forms images from tiny dots, means small dots, called pixels, that are arranged in rectangular form. In monitor we have two kinds of monitors, that is CRT monitor and flat panel display monitor. This CRT we can call cathode ray tube, then flat panel display tube. This device we can call CRT monitor, this one we can call flat panel display. Okay, now projector. Projectors receives data from computer and displays or projects the information as a text and images onto a surface like a wall or screen. It can accept data from user or other source and send that data to another device. So these are often used in meetings and presentations so that everyone in the room can view the presentation. This person is presenting the data, so we can easily watch this data, right? Everyone can view their presentation. So this is called what? Projector. Then printers. There are most common type of output devices which are used to take hard copy of any digital document. There are two kinds of printers. One is impact printer, another one is non-impact printers. Non-impact printers such as laser or inkjet printers are less noisy and more reliable and faster, and also offer high quality compared to impact printers. So the type impact printers, this is what impact printers, and this we can call non-impact printers. Okay, impact printers we can give example for dot matrix printer. Okay, so compared to impact, non-impact printers are faster. So this is another device of printing. And next one is speakers. These receives sound data from computer or other device and plays the sounds for users to hear. It cannot accept a sound generated by users and send that sound to another device. Then plotter. It is a computer printer for printing vector graphics. Plotters are used in applications such as computer aided design, such as diagrams, layouts and banners. So this device we can call plotters. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding these input and output device, please ask me. Thank you.